Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something what I think is kind of simple, but maybe it's not so simple for everybody. I'm going to show you how to perfectly boil eggs. So my water is just about to start boiling here, I can see. So I'm going to take my eggs. I'm going to do, let's do 3. So I'm going to put them on a spoon and just gently set them into our boiling water, or almost boiling water. There's 2 and 3. So I'm going to set a timer for 11 minutes. In the meantime, while those are boiling on a we'll say light rolling boil, I'm going to get a bowl full of ice and some cold water, because as soon as these are done cooking, we're going to throw them into an ice bath.
11 minutes later.
11 minutes, eggs should be perfect. So I'm going to take them out of this boiling water right into an ice bath. So basically just a bowl with a good amount of ice and some cold water. And we're going to probably let those sit. We'll give them 10 or 15 minutes, then we're going to peel them.
15 minutes later.
So the eggs have been sitting here for 10 or 15 minutes, we'll say. Still have some ice left, but what I always tend to do is solid surface, whether it's countertop or cutting board or whatever, I usually put a couple pieces of paper towel down and then basically just start to give it a little bit of a crack all the way around. Now, because these are hard-boiled eggs, we shouldn't worry about damaging the yolk or anything inside, because there should be no runny yolk. It'll be hard-boiled. There is all kinds of tricks that people suggest for doing hard-boiled eggs, for peeling them. Baking soda in the water, vinegar in the water. I don't know if any of them really work or not. I don't do any of those. You just have to sort of be gentle. And what I tend to do here is, so that peeled pretty well. So what I tend to do is just give it a little quick dunk in the water, make sure we don't have any like little pieces of egg, and there you have basically a perfectly boiled egg. So I'm going to continue working on peeling these eggs. I just wanted to thank you for watching the video. Check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next episode.